Hey guys, this is Sticks. How you guys doing? I'm over here in Long Beach, California for something that I'm very curious about, but this is something that I think is going to be kind of cool because it's going to be as spooky as hell probably, and I hope I get scared as hell because it better be. Today I'm over here in Long Beach where I'm gonna check out something that my friend's been trying to get me to see, Midsummer Scream, here at the Long Beach Convention Center. Midsummer Scream is a convention like no other. It's dedicated to Halloween, horror movies and television shows, creatures of the night, trick-or-treating, and to the people who put their time, creativity, and hard work into scaring the shit out of you. And that's the kind of bunch that's here today. You can feel the excitement and the adrenaline rush everywhere you turn, but turn carefully. Because you're bound to run into vampires, zombies, witches, ghosts, werewolves, axe murderers, Vikings, evil scientists, mad doctors, or some guy walking around holding a doll on his shoulder. Speaking of which, I brought our girl Miku with me this time. She's wearing a witch's outfit that my friend Megan made for her. And in a strange way, she seems to blend in with this crowd. And it goes to show just how much fun everyone is having. That's what this convention is all about. It brings together everyone to celebrate the love of their favorite holiday that's unlike any other for all ages. Much like other conventions, here they have discussion panels, video rooms, promotions for various horror movies coming soon, and a few other spooky surprises popping up here and there. Including entertainment for a more mature audience, so parents beware. One of the panels I'm at right now is dedicated to puppetry, and it's actually interesting within the horror community that people have to see things like this. It's something you really got to take a look at one day to see. It's all dedicated to some of the scary imaginations that people can have when telling different stories, and puppetry is one form of telling the story that you really ought to see to believe. Oh my God. And of course, what would a convention be without a dealer's room? Here's where you'll find some of the best haunting toys, props, and equipment that'll make your home the best haunted house on the block. And it's where most of the fans will hang out too. Take a look, we're over here in front of the Bat Stay booth right there. Look, there's my video right there. They're playing my video on here so everybody to see it. See, that's how important everything is around here. Look at that. And by the way, oh yeah, there's this one beauty and there's the other beauty. See, they're lovely. I love them too. Everybody, and it tells you, watch my video. You're going to find everything here from all kinds of everything you want to scare the shit out of you. Trust me, it's going to be so much fun. But the idea is that you find everything from mask here, everything from all kinds of costumes. You see everybody here having a great time with all kinds of items. You can't imagine where you're going to find them. And people, the most creative people in the world are actually here to show all kinds of stuff that you're never going to find at Walmart. I always say you're never going to find at Walmart because it's true. You're not going to find it at Walmart. But trust me, this is one place you got to definitely come and check out to see and believe. But the one place where everyone goes is where it's dark. And here is where you're going to find two of the biggest draws at the convention. The first is the haunted mazes. Much like the mazes at Knott's Halloween Haunt, each one has a theme where you'll find many kinds of horrors that you have to find your way through, if you want to survive. And of course, it's all in the dark. The second is where some of the most talented haunt performers reside, the Decayed Brigade Sliders. Their scare technique was first created by haunt monsters at Knott's Scary Farm decades ago. And scare groups like the Decayed Brigade have turned the act of scaring into a unique art form that only a few can master. And once you see them in action, you can see why they're a favorite among congoers. And since I had so much fun the other day over at Midsummer Scream, I thought, why the hell should I stop now? So I came here, so I managed to bring Alice with me today to come with me to another place that's doing just the exact same thing the week after. Scare LA. It's another convention that's set up as a competition to the other one. And this right here is just as cool as the first. So this is one you also got to come to as well. Scare LA is a slightly smaller Halloween convention located at the Los Angeles Convention Center. And just like in Long Beach, it gives others the chance to experience the insane horror and fun, along with a host of characters from your darkest nightmares. Oh my God. Oh shit. That looks cool. I love it. Thank you. That's fantastic. One thing you have a chance to see at both cons is unique, stylish artwork that's almost never seen outside events like this. Even Alice was impressed. But what impressed me the most was the many kinds of movie props that were displayed here. It gives you a chance to see what these props look like up close. And just like before, there's a darkened area which houses haunted mazes, props and sets, a freak show, and a host of characters you're never going to forget. You can even have a drink while you're roaming around. Show them the drink. Show them the drink. Even our friends from the Decay Brigade made an appearance to scare the crowd. So as I'm waiting for the day to end out here at Scare LA, I think it's kind of cool to say that, you know, it's cool to come here. So I want to say to you guys, come next year to come and check these out. And just remember, go to the nearby parks. Go to both the Queen Mary, go to Knott's, go to Universal. You're going to see a lot more of this stuff during Halloween. It's really great to see. So thanks for joining in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe my videos. And like I always tell everybody, I never know where my adventures are going to take me, but I hope you guys join me for the ride. See you then. Hit me with a knife. Come at me with a knife. Ooh. Go get it. They're great. I love them both.